In this video, I'm going to show you how to change signature in new Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to open Outlook, you want to go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel. And then from here, as you can see, you want to go to accounts on the left, and then you want to go to signatures in here. Now from here, if you don't have a signature, you want to click on add signature over here, and you can add it this way. But if you have it and you simply want to change it, you want to go to down here where you can see your signature, click on this button over here to edit your signature, and you'll be able to edit it over here. So for example, mine says instant how to, and then it's signature 1. I can go ahead and change it to, for example, instant how, and I'm going to click on save, and there we go, it's going to get changed, okay? Then of course you could also go and select the default for new messages, and then default for replies and forwards as well over here. And if you want to add multiple signatures, again, you can just go here, click on the button, add a name, add your signature, and you are good to go. So that's how to change them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.